The vascular tissue system. Vascular tissue system constitutes of xylem and phloem, and this xylem and phloem together forms vascular bundles. In case of dicot stem, there is cambium present between this xylem and phloem, and this cambium, it supports the growth, that is, it allows the division of xylem and phloem, thus forming secondary xylem and secondary phloem, and hence this type of vascular bundle is known as open vascular bundle, whereas in case of monocot stem, it is closed vascular bundle, that is, cambium is not present. The arrangement of these vascular bundles you can see in the diagram. First is radial arrangement. They are arranged in the form of a circle, xylem, phloem like this. Then is conjoint closed arrangement, in which you can see xylem and phloem is present but there is no cambium present. And in case of conjoint open system, you can see cambium as a strip is present between xylem and phloem. Now let us understand the structure of dicotyledonous root. You can see in the diagram, it is having root hairs. Below root hairs is epidermis, and after epidermis cortex is present. Cortex is nothing but layers of thin walled parenchyma, and the innermost layer of cortex is known as endodermis. This endodermis is composed of thick walled parenchyma cell, and this thick walled parenchymatous cells give rise to pericycle. Casparian strips is present between this endodermis and epidermis. It is nothing but waxy outer covering which is impermeable to water. Conjunctive tissue, which is parenchymatous cell layer between xylem and phloem, is present. Pericycle, conjunctive tissue, endodermis together forms stele, and in this case few xylem or xylems are present. Monocot root, you can see in the diagram, it also have root hair, epidermis, cortex, endodermis, etc. The only difference is that it has got more xylem bundles than in dicot root, that is 6 xylem bundles are present in case of monocot root, and you can see in the diagram its pith is large and well defined. In case of dicot, pith is not that large, but in case of monocot, pith is large and well defined.